Hey everyone, in today's video I'll walk you through how to fix the Shadow Fight 2 game app login problem. So if you're stuck on the login screen or progress won't sync, this video is for you. For that, make sure your internet is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the login issue. After that, open up your settings. Inside Settings, tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Inside iPhone Storage, search for the Shadow Fight 2 app, and then tap on it. Go ahead and tap on Offload App, then tap on Offload App again. Offloading the application will help you free up the storage used by the app and will also help you clear the cache. Once you have offloaded the application, you want to go ahead and simply reinstall the app again. Once done, head back to your home screen, open up your App Store, and then in the search bar, search for Shadow Fight 2. Once you search for it, you want to make sure it is updated. If you see Update instead of Open, go ahead and tap on Update and let your application update to its latest version. So once done, head back to your home screen, and if you're still facing the issue, you want to long press on the app. Tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, then tap on Delete again. Once you have deleted it, go ahead and visit the App Store again and reinstall it. But make sure your progress is backed up via Google Play or any other service before doing this. And that's it, guys. These steps should help you fix your Shadow Fight 2 login issue. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.